Hello, my name is Lynne and I'm a senior student at the London Centre for Psychodrama. In the spirit of spontaneity, which is one of the important things that we learn, I thought I would talk to you a little bit today about how I've coped with the lockdown. And it's been a mixture of feeling a little bit like I've lost my confidence and almost I feel anxious about going outside. But then deep down I have a really strong feeling that it will be all right and things will come back to normal, and we will have learned something really important from this for ourselves and for our families and for our communities. So I think my wise inner old woman is actually speaking to me right now. And I think she's telling everyone to just let it be and it will be all right. So I wish you all masses of love and hope that we can all get through this.